Demonstrate the usage of union. Let's write another program to demonstrate the use of unions. Create a new file in code blocks and save it as s10_09.c. Ctrl Shift N, Ctrl S, s10_09.c. Click Save. Quickly include the header file #include open close angular brackets stdio.h. Define the union data open close curly brace semicolon, write int I semicolon, float f semicolon, char str open close brackets semicolon 40 as string parameter. Next, define the main function int main open close parenthesis void as parameter open close curly brace return 0 semicolon. Declare a variable data of type union data semicolon. Initialize the data members data.I equals to 2 semicolon, data.f equals to 10.5 semicolon, and strcpy open close parenthesis semicolon data.str comma within double quotes write programming with C. Print the data members on the console. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.I colon %d \n comma data.I. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.f colon %f \n comma data.f. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.str colon space %s \n comma data.str. Press F9 to build and run the program. As we can see from the output, the values of I and F members of the union got corrupted. This is because the final value assigned to the variable str has occupied the memory location, which is why the value of str member is getting printed as expected. In the next program, we will look into the same example once again, where we will use one variable at a time, which is the main purpose of having unions. Create a new file in code blocks and save it as s10_10.c. Ctrl Shift N, Ctrl S, s10_10.c. Click Save. Quickly include the header file #include open close angular brackets stdio.h. Define the union data open close curly brace semicolon. Inside that write int I semicolon float f semicolon char str open close brackets semicolon 40 as string dimension. Write the main function int main open close parenthesis void as parameter open close curly brace return 0 semicolon. Declare a variable data of type union data. Union data semicolon. Initialize the data's member I with a value of 2. Data.I equals to 2 semicolon. Print I. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.I colon %d \n comma data.I. Initialize data's member f with a value of 10.5. Data.f equals to 10.5 semicolon. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.f colon %f \n comma data.f. Finally, initialize data's member str with a string strcpy open close parenthesis semicolon write data.str comma within double quotes write programming with C. Print str. Printf open close parenthesis semicolon within double quotes write data.str colon space %s \n comma data.str. Press F9 to check the output. Perfect. In this example, each union members are accessed immediately after assigning values to them. If we don't access them before assigning values to other members, then that member's value will be overwritten by other member, as all members are using same memory. Alright, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.